up, YouTube? We back with another video, and then in today's video we are on the way to go pick up a much needed part for the CRV. As you can see, I'm in it. Had to drive about an hour to go pick this part up, so what better way to go get it than hop in the CRV, see how it does. First time on the highway with it, it did good, other than when I would hit traffic and I had to like manually shift it, but other than that, it did fine for the most part. But I got about 15 more minutes left, and then once I get there and look the part over, make sure it's good to go, and then I'm gonna pick you guys back up. Alright, so here it is the next day. The interaction with the guy was super quick, so I didn't even have a chance to pick up the camera and record, because he had the parts in his backyard and it was like fenced off and everything. So, but we got another door for the CRV, and if you don't know why we need another door, this is why. Super bad dent. Was told it's not fixable. I ain't even try, but as you can see, it's not looking too good right there. But I'm gonna show you guys the new door. Got it right here. Super clean door, no dents at all. This right here is just like a little, I don't even know what I don't know if it maybe like a sticker or something was right there, or just something maybe brushed up against it, but it's not a scratch or anything. It comes off if you like scratch at it, but super clean. Only paid $100 for the door complete. Of course, I gotta swap my door panel and everything on there, because I got the light on, but that's super simple. Shouldn't take no time at all. Already started taking apart the CRV, getting some of the screws out, got the grill off already. Oh, and before I forget, I did find another reflector. I've been looking ever since I bought it, and I have not found one, but luckily the guy had the extra one, so we're gonna throw that in as well. I'm gonna get around to it, but main priority is trying to get this door swapped out. Watch the video, should only take about an hour or so. And yeah, we're gonna get it knocked out. Once I get the fender off and get the door out and get the other one, the new one on, then I'm gonna pick you guys back up. Alright, so we got the fender off, got the door off, got everything taken off that I needed so far. I do have to switch this handle over so I can use the lock, or maybe if it's a way I can just switch the locks out, I might just do that. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. Only took probably about like 30-40 minutes to do all that. Mind you, I've never swapped any body panels before anything, so literally just watched a YouTube video earlier at work, came home, got right to it. As you can see, got it knocked out. Shouldn't be too hard to put it back on. About to double check just to make sure I didn't forget anything, and then put everything back on there. And then once I get it back on, then pick you guys back up, show you the new door. Alright, so got it all put back together. Everything is good now. The thing that took me the longest was these fucking door handles. This one wasn't so bad. That was fairly easy. It was this one, getting it out and having to put it back in, but we got it done though. All back together. Just got to throw that panel back on. I might put my mirror that's off the old door back on, just because I like cleaned that one up and polished it and everything. But I know I got to go over this door, so I might just leave it or wait till I wax it and all that stuff and then see how this one looks on there. But yeah, we got it all done. That's the old door. I'm gonna probably strip it, take all the, I'm gonna try to get the glass out and the regulators and all that stuff. Keep all that just in case, never know. But yeah, making progress. It definitely looks a whole lot better having a door that's not all dented up. Gotta order some headlights for sure, because when I was taking the fender off, I broke one of the tabs on the bottom, but that ain't a big deal. But yeah, all done. Let me know what you guys think. That's probably gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned. Parts are steady coming in. I should have all the stuff for the Evo by the end of this week, so hopefully get that back on the road, get some content on that. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.